Hi friends, welcome to AT Tutors. Today we are going to discuss about the signal and elementary signals. First of all, what is mean by signal? Signal, it is a physical quantity which shares the information from one place to another place, which passes the information from one place to another place. So if we see the definition, signal it is defined as a physical quantity that varies with respect to time and any other independent variable. Okay, generally we can remember signal means which passes the information from one place to another place. So we have many types of signals like periodic, aperiodic, and continuous, discrete, digital, analog, likewise. So mainly we will discuss about the continuous and discrete signal. So now let us go basic signals or elementary signals. So we have basic signals are sinusoidal signal, unit step, and ramp and exponential. So first we will discuss about the sinusoidal signal or sequence. Why I said signal and sequence? So if the signal varies continuously, so that is continuous. If at particular time, at instant of that time, it is varying. If we see, this is signal, and at this particular time, at instant of this time, if we say, this is discrete, this is samples. If we take the samples, that is discrete. Okay, so we will discuss first basic signal, sinusoidal signal or sequence. So the definition of this sinusoidal signal is x of t is equals to a sin omega t plus phi. If we change the phase, we will take phi, or else we will take a sin theta. So this is varying a sin theta, in that we have t. This x of t is varying with respect to t. This is a sinusoidal signal. If we take n, if we consider the n samples, then we will say that is sequence. So x of n is equals to a sin omega n. It is a discrete, which is sinusoidal sequence, and x of t is equals to a sin omega t plus phi is the sinusoidal signal. And next one is unit step sequence or signal. The definition of this unit step signal is u of t is equals to 1 when t is greater than 0, and u of t is equals to 0 when t is less than 0. At 0, when t is equals to 0, we cannot define, we will not define that unit step. So see here, when this is 1, u of t, when it is 1, when is t is greater than 0. If we consider here, from here it starts. If we consider this is 0, from 1 it will start up to t greater than 0, up to infinity, where we will stop, up to there it will goes. So this is the unit step signal. But in sequence, we will include 0 also. So here see, u of n is equals to 1, n greater than or equals to 0. We will include 0 also. So because in sampling theorem, later we will discuss that sampling theorem, we will include, due to that we will include this 0 also. We will discuss later. So remember, u of t is equals to 1 when t is greater than 0 in signal, unit step signal, and u of n is equals to 1 when n is greater than or equals to 0. This is very very important to remember, which is in unit step signal we will not include 0, and unit step sequence we will include 0. So next one is ramp signal as sequence. This is defined R of t is equals to t when t is greater than 0. Otherwise it is 0 when t is less than 0. So if we take x equals to y, if we substitute, we know that in when we draw a graph, we will substitute one value and we will draw. So at that time if we take r of t and it is equals to t, when it is t greater than 0, we will get this kind of signal. This is the ramp. And in case of discrete or sequence, we will take n. N means samples. Mainly we will vary by this term t and n. We will use t for signal and we will use n for discrete signal. I mean discrete sequence. And next one is exponential signal or sequence. What is exponential? Which gradually increases or gradually decrease. To draw that kind of signal, what is the definition? X of t is equals to e power at when t is greater than or equals to 0. So in that also we have two cases, when a is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. If we take e power at, if we substitute the values, a values when t is greater than or equals to 0, gradually it increases. And if we take e power minus at and we substitute the values of a which are less than 0, then it will gradually decreases. So this is the exponential signal. If we take sequence, we will keep n and we will use how we will get these samples. So we have MATLAB which will deals with signals, graphics, everything, which is very important for electronics and communication engineering students. There we can generate the signals, sinusoidal signal, a unit step signal, ramp sequence, and everything we can generate. We can create signals in there. We can play with signals in that MATLAB, which is Matrix Lab. So this is about the signal, what is signal, and basic signals and elementary signals that are sinusoidal, unit step, ramp, exponential. So this is today's class. So if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to AT Tutors. Thank you.